Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. Before to continue with the main subject of Grab project, I want you to take two simple actions. The first one is subscribe to this wonderful channel and press the ring notification bells to get notified when new videos coming out from Chez Satoshi, a great content creators on the crypto spheres, and a name to remember, Chez Satoshi and your head. And as well, I want you to take action and spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, at school, and the street. Just talk about Chez Satoshi and spread the love to anyone who might be interested in crypto and join this great, wonderful channel, Crypto and Cafe. So let's go jump to the main subject of this podcast, not podcast, but video or vlog, I mean, because I love to speak spontaneously without to read a teleprompter that is more like robotic. Anyway, let's go jump to the main subject is Graph. I'm going to close this ads here. As you can see, IPS for a vibrant decentralized futures. Wow, this is cool. The Graph is an indexing protocol for creating network like Ethereum and EPFS. Anyone can build and publish open APIs called Subgraph, making data easily accessible, like the internet. Like when you go on Google, you just make a search, you have the response in less than fraction of second. But this is with blockchain data from her for what I know at the current stage. So this is really cool. A global graph QLIPY. Subgraph can be composed into a global graph of all the world's public informations. This data can be transformed, organized, and shared across applications for anyone to create with just a few keystrokes. Pretty cool, huh? They have already integrated into the API. You just build the app, and they are and Graph focus on the core business of to bring this information easily and fast and pace to access blockchain at the speed of light. What your job is to focus on to bring value with your app, and Graph bring value to like the Google of the blockchain of the Google or something like that. So say goodbye to custom servers. Before the Graph, teams had to develop and operate proprietary indexing servers. This requires significant engineering and hardware resources and broke the important security properties required for decentralizations. So Web3 is a new stack for a radically better internet. This is cool. All data is stored and processed on open network with verifiable integrity. The Graph makes querying this data fast, readable, and secure. As you can see here, you have the blockchains, storage networks, and P2P networks. So you have the public data, encrypted private data. The Graph IS processes, indexes, and servers data in a verifiable way. Indexing IPY customer, make a query into the API with the API, and then you can access the information right now, and you know that it's very reliable with security in mind. So you focus on your project instead to worry to build another servers and to have the indexing servers and to have another layers of complexity to and management, overhead of management and stuff like that, and as well the costs. So much is getting built. Entrepreneurs are creating next level apps to scale human coordinations on the internet. It's a new frontier and we just getting started. As you can see, DeFi, governance, grants and philanthropy, marketplace, entertainments, and socials. On a shared neutral foundations, by combining Web3 protocols, developers can build the app with powerful new features for solving the world's greatest challenge. So as you can see, agency, own your identity, data, and reputations. Reliability, guaranteed to run forever on reliable public infrastructures. Interoperability, seamlessly switch between the app. Money, programmable money and financial contracts. Security, safe, secure, and private. Governance, transparent rules that people have a voice in. The Graph Network, a marketplace of services provider, ensures that data remain open and that the app continues to run no matter what. So they have three components. Indexer, non-operator that compete to provide the best services at the lowest price. Curator, individual who organize data and signal which subgraph are useful and accurate. Delegator, individual who delegate stake to indexers to contribute, securing the network without running a graph node themselves. So you have three major components with three major roles into the graph ecosystem: indexers, curators, and delegators. Recommended reading. So they have the graph network and them, modeling the crypto economic protocols, and the path to Web3. As you can see, they have a lot of going on with this graph project. So live project, many of the best projects are in the graph in production today. Uniswap, Synthetix, Decentraland, Aragon. Four major players they use graph right now: Uniswap, Synthetix, Decentralized, and Aragon. Word of mouth or opinion of people's FutureSwap exchange. FutureSwap use Graphic protocol for its front end. It's a fantastic tool and one we recommend that every app dev look into using. Opium team. Graph protocol is awesome. It helps us make our system more robust and reliable. Thanks for everything you are doing. Yes, you can see a lot of people have testimonial that is really great products. So you can view more into it. Backed by a lot of projects out there like Framework, Powerfire Capitals, DTC Capital, and on and on. Where we're going, the crypto community is a radical new imaging of the futures of work. Open protocol will create transparency and opportunity, enabling anyone in the world to contribute their talents in a global economy. We want to support these visions and help developers build the new coordination mechanisms of the internet age. Wow! So they are present on Reddit. Not this is Reddit. I'm not quite sure. GitHub, Reddit, Medium. It's very small. They're small icon. Discord. I mean, this is Telegram, as you can see on the bottom. Discord, Reddit. I mean, and they by emails as well. So let's go jump to the next sections. All the data for you to of your app. I need to take some coffee before to keep going. And please don't forget to subscribe and take 2 simple actions. Subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee. Press the bell notifications, and as well as spread the love to anyone in the world, at your workplace, at your job, in the street about Shea Sachi. A great name to remember, and subscribe to have access great content of value. All the data for you for your DM. Discover some graph by the leading project in the Web3 ecosystem. All the data is immediately available for querying using GraphQL. Decentralized Explorer. This coming soon. This subgraph have been deployed at the Austin services. A new Graph Explorer the app will be launching by Edge and Node on the Graph network early next year. Cool. So they have the ENS, Compound V2, Uniswap V2, LivePeers, Marketplace, Enzyme, BToken, USDC that use this project, Synthetix, Alchemy, MakerDAO, Mainbase, wow, Cyberlayer, Pull Together, Banker, Unlock, Protocol, Develop, Isaac, whoa, I feel overwhelmed. AirSwap, FutureSwap, Opium Network, Balancer, Everest, IDX Protocol, ThinkLake, Community, Subgraph. You can guarantee that Subgraph won't introduce breaking change for now. Read more. So they have other as well. Gen Finance, First Subgraph, Solidity Risk Market Dev, Number One, Galleon Backup, Doc. So I feel very, as you can see, so many projects that use this product, that's its enzyme. So they have, if the more project that use something, that's a proof that they have some value, so they have tractions. So this is a good indicator, my friend. I'm not a financial advisor, but when great project use something, so you might look into it. So the next sections. The Graph Network launched its mainnet. The Graph Network is now live, paving the way for a truly decentralized application. Wow. As you can see, they are on many places on Web2. Defined Boot is just the start of massive web innovation. After a successful mainnet launch on Ethereum, the Graph Evolution integrating additional L1 blockchains. As you can see, they have a lot of market coverage that I invite you to read it on their blog on thegraph.com blogs. So they are really present. They put a lot of information out there. 6 October, they are very active. Even this year's January 2021 and February, the latest article. So this is cool. It seems to be a team that's very active on the space. The Graph Docs. The master the graph. Browse the latest documentation, including IPR reference, articles, and sample code. So they package everything into these sections. So you just go to grab docs, and you can find the information you need if you want to get involved or develop on the graph ecosystem. Let's go jump to the graph security. The bug bounty, but now it's just a blue page, so probably they have nothing to fix at the moment. So this is cool. They have security is always is a never-ending game, so it's always a battle between the good actor versus the bad actors, like the hackers. But security is really important, especially when you deal with value. As you can see in the space, we have so many hacks happening every single month. Since I am on this space, I see, so each month we see a big hack on the space. So let's go jump to the jobs on the graph. Welcome to the decentralized world. We are missions to make open data easily accessible. We are choosing to work with decentralization because we want to radically reshape how humans cooperate and organize. Join us and apply now. So this is beautiful. I would like to have this guys and NFTs and probably to trade it on Ethereum and stuff like that. It's pretty cool with the, I don't know how you can that. Probably in the future we're going to have that to do skateboard on the sky. Who knows? Our cut of cultures. Ideal always wins. We value well-being. Learn at light speed. Open position. As you can see, they research a lot of people. So this is a proof that the team is very active. The companies grow fast. They look for ecosystem managers, marketing, coordination managers, on and on. So this is a proof. Many projects use it. Many open positions. This is a good. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is really a good factor to consider if you want to invest in this project. So about the graph takes a new approach to open data with the first decentralized indexing protocol. The graph is a protocol for organizing blockchain data that is already powered with many DeFi and Web3 applications today. With the use of Subgraph OpenAPI, developers can easily access blockchain data and serve data to their users. What Google does for web, the graph does for the blockchain. A community of over 5K user developers have built 3.4K subgraph for applications like Uniswap, Aragon, Synthetics, Norwegian, and many more. 5K developers. They already built 3.4K subgraph. With the main launch of the Graph Network in December 2012, serverless applications are made possible. Index source creators and delegators contribute to the network to index data and process query in a decentralized manner, mitigating central point of failures and redundant development. Wow, this is so cool. I'm learning at the same time I record this video. So this is insane what they want to accomplish the graph. So the last sections is the network, Telegram. This is all the component of the network. I'm not quite sure what's the significations of all the subgraph. They see the subgraph on it, delegated, allocated, number, max capacity. I'm not familiar with all these parameters. I invite you to check yourself on network, thegraph.com. So as you can see, they have piece. This is a really interesting project. Really interesting. Just recording it is so exciting to see what they want to accomplish and to see many great apps to use it, and they have a lot of open position as well. So what you need to remember, so Google is the Web 2.0, but Graph is the indexing services for the blockchain world, my friend. This is what you need to remember about the Graph and business goal. And in the meantime, don't hesitate to spread the love about these great channels. Put a comment on the comment section of this video as well. And as well, subscribe to this channel and press the ring notification. And as well, spread the love, and see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for another great video. You can as well come and check you can visit my outstanding website, satoshi.com, and have a great day ahead, my friend. Ciao, ciao. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.